Sixth grade, lesson 8. Number 1. There are 6 women for every 4 men in Sam's father's company. Which of the following ratios is equivalent to the ratio of men to women? So, to men to women, there are 4 for every 6. So, to find an equivalent, we know that A is incorrect, B is incorrect, C is incorrect, and then 2, you just divide both sides by 2 and you get 2 to 3, D. Number 2. The ratio of basketball pitchers to catchers in Mike's baseball league is 4 to 1. Which of the following is equivalent to this ratio? So 4 to 1. So 32 to 16 is wrong because can't really go into 4 to 1. 32 to 8. Both sides are just multiplied by 8. 4 times 8 is 32, and then 8 times 1 is 8. And then 32 incorrect. And then D also incorrect. 3. On the Longview professional basketball team, there are 2 Europeans for every 8 Americans. Which of the following is equivalent to this ratio? So, 2 Europeans to 8 Americans. So, we know that A is wrong because it doesn't fit into this. We know this is America to Europeans, so that'd be 8 to 2. That doesn't fit in either. Here, C does fit in, because if you just divide both sides by 2, and then D does not fit in. 4. Benjamin's father is a writer working on his new book. He wrote 33 pages of his new book in 6 days. At this rate, how many pages will Benjamin's father write in 8 days? So 33 pages in 6 days. So we can simplify this by going 33 divided by 6, which is equal to 5.5. So about 5.5. And then so 5.5 pages in 1 day. So if we want to see how much he'll write in 8 days, we just do 5.5 times 8, which will be 8, which will be 44. So that's C. 5. Sonia wants to buy 0.4 kilograms of honey. The price of honey is $8 per kilogram. How much will Sonia pay for 0.4 kilograms of honey? So $8 per one. So if we want to find 0.4, you would do 8 times 0.4, which would be 3.2. Because 8 times 4 is 32, and because there's a decimal point here, you have to put 1 here too. David rode a bicycle at the speed in a local bike race. He rode 36 miles in 3 hours. What was the speed of David riding his bicycle in the race? So you can see for every answer it's miles per hour. So 36 miles in 3 hours. If we want to see per hour, we just do 36 divided by 3, which would be 12. 7. Miles of Smiles Toy Factory creates 168 toys in 12 hours. At this rate, how many toys does Miles of Smiles Toy Factory create in 5 hours? So 168 for 12 hours. So we just divide 168 divided by 12, which is equal to 14. And then if we want, that's per hour. So for 5 hours, it would be 14 times 5, which would be 70. A. 8. Lily bought 12 pounds of apples for $16. How many pounds of apples can Lily buy for $20? So 12 for $16. you can simplify this by dividing both sides by 4. So this would be 4 and this would be 3. And then 4 times 5 for the money would be 20. And then times 5, because it has to be the same on both sides, would be 15. So 15 pounds for $20. 9. The speed of the school bus is 60 miles per hour. How many miles will the bus go in 2 hours and 15 minutes? So 60 miles per hour. So because it's 2 hours, it'd be 120 plus the 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is 1/4 of an hour. So 60 divided by 4 would be 15. So 120 plus 15 right here would be 135.